Bitch, you regular. You so regular. Bitch, so regular. I'll be getting that regular hair from her. It could be better, but bitch, you regular. I could see the future. Everything regular ahead of her. It don't cost nothing for you to have a little sex with her. She only look cute when it's close to the front. She keep on banging my line. You gon' let me get a shirt? Bitch, I'll let you get two if you gon' fuck the homie too. Is you bout that life? Yeah. It's me too. I met her at the GS. She followed me on Instagram. Saw that I was bragging. Told me how funny I am. Told her how fine she was. Told her I wanted to fuck. She told me she wanted to let me. Ain't that we going up? Me in a 7 sweatsuit. Fake Balenciaga. Posting up on Backpage. And she a street walk. Why you always out of pocket, bitch? Why you always got your tongue out your mouth? Bitch, you regular. That's so funny. Broke ass trying to find a nigga with some money. Bitch, you ain't a dime. You ain't a nine either. You barely keep your toes down. Always wear sneakers. Everybody fuck her. Don't nobody need her. Is that your bitch? She ain't mine either. Bitch, you regular. You so regular. Bitch, you regular. You so regular. I might smoke with a bitch and get
Get over here, blood. Like, blood, what is that questionable face, blood? I'm looking at this questionable ass profile pic, blood. Which nigga in the pic is you, blood? I hate when niggas try to post these bullshit ass group pictures, nigga, so we don't know which one you is, blood. Is you the big fat black ass nigga that look like he licking the juice off the rib, blood? It look like you try to collect, like, blood. It look like you wait till everybody get done eating all the ribs and drink the collected rib juice out the pan, blood. You fat ass nigga, get your like, blood, read shit, blood. Rib juice drinking ass nigga. Fuck out of here. What's up, my nigga? Them though, blood. What's the deal? A rib juice drinking ass nigga. Like, hold on, like, don't throw away that juice. Don't throw away that juice. Juice rib. A beef rib juice drinking ass nigga. Fuck it. Can't fuck with me, bro. We're the new shit. We want to hear 2023 Boskoe flow. Nigga, you ain't even got 2023 profile pic, blood, with that blurry ass shit. Like, blood, wipe your fucking lens. Like, blood, how you in the car taking selfie with a blurry lens, blood? Like, blood, wipe your lens, nigga. Retreat, nigga. I want to see a 2023 profile pic, nigga. Oh, smeared lens having ass, nigga. I hate niggas with smeared lens. Like, blood, you seen the lens was smeared? The fuck you take that picture for? Like, weirdo. Anyway, moving along. Good evening, good people. Good evening. Nigga got an Android, that's what it is, blood. Why the fuck do niggas even take pictures with that? Like, blood, Android ain't for taking pictures. It's just so you could keep up with what's going on the internet. Like, blood, don't post no videos. Stop taking pics when you got an Android. I hate that. I got a homie that do that. This nigga always, like, take stupid ass videos. They always blurry. I be like, bro, like, stop posting shit. Like, bro, that shit be, then niggas be mad because you don't like your shit. Bro, you don't post nothing I like, nigga. Shit be blurry as fuck. Weird ass angles. Like, bro, get that shit. Wipe your fucking lens, nigga. What the fuck are you doing, nigga? And not with your finger. I hate when you tell somebody, wipe the lens, and then they wipe it with their finger. Motherfucker, that's how it's smeared in the first place. Why the fuck would you wipe it with your finger, dumbass? Jesus, bro. Help me, help us. Help me, help us. God damn. God damn, bro. Android is software. Man, get over here, nigga. Big mustache, like, blood, this big ass mustache, like, blood. Why so mustache? Like, blood, I looked at the profile pic, all I seen was mustache. It's me, Mario. Mustache, like, blood, the mustache got a, like, blood, you got a brush out, blood. Big ass mustache, blood. This shit got a mind of its own. It's me, Mario. Like, blood, retreat, blood. It's me, Mario. Big ass mustache, blood. Trim that shit. What the fuck? It's me, Mario. Nigga, I looked at the profile pic. I was like, seeing mustache and like, bro, what the fuck? Big mustache. Or the L's, but anyway, moving along, fuck all that. Raw the YGs and the gangsters that blood. Tell me to hit the yard, blood. It's night yard, blood. Top politic and talk bullshit, Queen Street, Inglewood, though. Inglewood, though. What's up, my niggas, man? Tupac hairline with dreads. I got Tupac hairline. What are you talking about? You can't even see my hairline. My hair is fucking. You can't even see my hairline, nigga. Shut your dumb ass up. You don't even show your hairline. But I hate when niggas that don't show themselves in their profile pic try to say shit. That's why I be blocking y'all weird ass. Like, don't try to come with no jokes and you ain't even showing yourself, blood. Shut your dumb ass up. Stupid face ass nigga. Fuck it. Clearly, there's nothing to see here. Nothing to see there. Baby L, Shannon, blood. 400, nigga. You already know. Stacks, what's up with it? What's up with it? Joke dry as hell. Nigga, your beard dry as hell, nigga. Look at your lineup, nigga. You lined that shit up yourself, blood. Don't lie, nigga. You got a pair of clippers, nigga, and you always like, hey, what's up, blood? We finna go out. Hold on, let me line my shit. Like, I gotta line my shit up right quick. Like, dumbass line up, blood. Look at that stupid ass beard, blood. All this space up in here, blood. Why is there so much space, blood? Get your stupid dude to looking up. Like, fuck are you looking up, praying to God that you get some pussy? Lord, just please, like, dumb face ass nigga. You got a stupid ass beard too, blood. Retreat, blood. Your beard dry as fuck, blood. Put some cocoa butter on that shit, nigga. Damn, why you stuck right? God damn. Your hairline look cancerous. Nigga, get over here, blood. Look at your beard, nigga. It's your fucking like blood. You like the nigga that got stomped out, menace to society, nigga. Eileen's cousin looking ass nigga. Fuck you talking about, blood. Hey, partner, I think you need to watch who you calling a bitch. Looking ass nigga, like blood retreat. Shut your dumb ass up, blood. That's why they stomped your stupid ass out, nigga. Then when you was going to put in work, as long as you was still on your dumb ass. Man, stupid ass nigga, quit looking. Get your stupid ass in the car, dumb ass nigga. Eileen's cousin looking at. Fuck up, nigga. I'm Eileen's cousin, partner. Nigga, they didn't even get that nigga a name in the movie, blood. Like, blood, that's how you know that shit was whack. Nigga, they didn't even get that nigga no name. Nigga, you was just Eileen's cousin. Like, who the fuck you supposed to be? I'm Eileen's cousin, partner. Get your stupid ass out of here before we stomp you the fuck out, nigga. Stomp your stupid ass, nigga. I'm Eileen's cousin, partner. Oh, yeah. Like, look. Just do that. I'm Eileen's cousin, partner. Oh, really? Oh, really? Skull, you own a Goyard purse, too? Look, I don't wear designer. Nigga, don't seem like a designer, nigga, to you. I don't give a fuck about no designers. What the fuck you talking about Goyard? Like, who the fuck is that anyway? I don't even know who the fuck Goyard is, but I ain't got no fucking Goyard bag, nigga. I don't do designer, nigga. I do Cubans, nigga. I do big ass Cubans, nigga. I don't do designer, nigga. Do I look like a designer, nigga, to you, bro? Fuck that designer, nigga. Do you ever hear me talk about designer? Like, bro, I don't give a fuck about that shit. Man, I'm from Queen Street, nigga. I still wear white tees every day, nigga. I don't give a fuck about no designer, nigga. I do give a fuck about my big ass Cuban, though. I do give a fuck about that. Last time Skull went to mall, 2005. How would you know when the last time I went to the mall, blood? With your naked face ass, blood. Your trans by night looking ass. Niggas always wonder why you estranged is so introverted and standoffish. Nigga, a tranny by night. Nigga, you cross-dressing ass nigga. You look like you put on fucking fishnet stockings and high heels and go sit on bus stops and wait for fucking weird niggas to come pick you up, bro. You weird ass nigga. Like, blood, read trees. Shut your dumb ass up, nigga. Cross-dressing ass twink. Fuck you talking about? Cali Rican. Hola, ¿cómo estás, mami? ¿Quieres casar conmigo? Let's see. Skull versus me. Blood, how the fuck I'm a verse a nigga with no face, blood? What are you, a fucking ghost or something, blood? Like, what are you talking about, Skull versus me? Versus you and what, blood? Like, blood, you a fucking ghost. Like, you're not even here, blood. Fuck your soul snatcher. Like, blood, what the fuck, man, they sell soul snatcher? Blood, what the fuck you gonna suck the shit, blood? What the fuck are you gonna do, blood? suck the shit out of nigga dick. You suck a nigga dick to death or something. Soul snatcher. Like, what the fuck do that even mean? You thought we was gonna think he was a killer? What's a soul snatcher? Like, get your stupid ass out of here. Shut the fuck up. Soul snatcher. What the fuck? Fuck you gonna do? Suck a nigga dick to death? Like, what the fuck is a soul snatcher, nigga? Fuck out of here, bro. Soul snatcher. What the fuck? Show stupid ass shit. Anyway, moving along, bro. Moving along. Who the fuck is this? What is this? Alright, fuck. Come on, bro. Pause. Ain't no pause, bro. Fuck you talk about pause, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, you one ugly ass nigga, boy.
Man, shut your fat ass up. Get your fat ass out of here, bro. You fat, obsessed ass nigga. You got like 5 Android phones, nigga, and you got a fucking Instagram account on each one, nigga, and you try to come in here like, bro, you a fucking, like, bro, you the most obsessed ass bitch I ever had, nigga. You like, bro, you more obsessed with me than the nigga that be posting all my videos on YouTube, blood. You niggas gotta be upset. You niggas is the same. I ain't never seen you niggas in the same place at the same time, blood. That's you, nigga. That's you. Stupid ass. Go keep it 100, Whacker Diggs. Where Jay Diggs at, nigga? Where Jay Diggs at, nigga? Yeah, that nigga whacked up. What the fuck you talking Whacker Diggs? Like, where Jay Diggs at, nigga? Fuck that, nigga. No, fuck that. Boskoe or Say Cheese, nigga. I'm finna squabble that nigga Say Cheese. Like, I didn't even know that Say Cheese be fighting, nigga. I gotta get, like, that's my nigga. You my guy, though. But you know what? In that ring, I'm gonna have to get you, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie. I don't play fight. Like, it's no play fight. Like, I'm gonna have to get you, bro. I gotta get you, bro. Like, you my nigga, you're cool people. You got good energy and all that. But, like, in that ring, I don't play fight, bro. I'm gonna have to get you, bro. I'm gonna have to get you. I'm just saying, man. I'm gonna have to get you. And that bag looking right. Ooh, that bag. Ooh, I can't wait till next month. Oh, God. What's this? What's today's date? 26th. My birthday on Friday, too. Oh, God, my birthday Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get you that nigga. I can't wait. You already know. New Harley. Oh, God. That Harley finna be stupid. Woo. I'm finna whoop a Harley out your ass, nigga. I can't wait. Watch this. You already know what I'm about. Y'all know what I'm about. You know how I'm coming. You know how I'm coming, blood. Stupid Hardy, blood. Watch this, nigga. Give me a month. 1 month, blood. Watch this, nigga. I'm finna whoop a Hardy out that. Poop, 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 poop. Nigga. Bike life scope, nigga. Oh, God. He pretty tall with the long reach, so you better be on your game. Nigga, I don't give a fuck about a nigga being tall. That's cool, blood. Boom, 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 boom. You gotta take something to give something, blood. You gotta get up in there, blood. Boom, bam. He gonna be, he tall. He gonna try to use it like a poof, 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 poof. You gotta take something to give something. Like, blood, you can't be scared to get hit. That's the thing about fighting big niggas. You can't be scared to get hit, blood. You gotta get up in there. Like, most niggas be scared because a nigga big, so you stay back and let blood just like, blood, his arms long, blood. Stop being scared to get hit, blood. Take something to give something, blood. You gotta get up in there on them big niggas, blood. Boom, boom, boom. Get up in there, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom. Get in there and chop blood down, nigga. That's cool. He tall, like, that's cool. But you gotta get in there and chop blood down, nigga. Nigga, you didn't see Rocky 4, blood? You didn't see Rocky 4, nigga? Like, Rocky, what was Rocky doing? Getting up in there, chopping blood down. Poof, 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 poof. He's only a man, nigga. He's only a man. Nigga, he's only a man, nigga. All cap. Nigga, you all cap, nigga, just like your hyena, blood, like blood, what I told you about that posting pictures with you and your hyena. Didn't I tell you that nigga, I'm gonna get on your hyena too? I mean, you didn't believe me, huh? You know, he's not gonna bag on my hyena. Yes, I am, little short, fat ass, like, blood, you know I'm gonna get on her, blood. Oh, fucking tostada making that bitch, like, blood, retreat, blood. Nigga, you stuck with blood, you duck with blood. Fuck that, nigga. You thought I was gonna give her a pass, blood, little torta making ass like blood. She fuck with blood, she stuck with blood. Fuck that. Thought I was gonna bag on you, huh? I'm not gonna bag on you. I'm gonna bag on your fucking high nut. You really gonna be mad about that? I'm bagging on your fucking high nut, blood. Let me see, who is this, blood? Who is this? All these fake pages, blood. You niggas be so scared, blood. Scary ass fake page ass nigga. Like, stop making fake pages and then come in here and hide your face. Like, blood, that's but straight busterism at its finest, bro.
Blood forehead fucked up. That nigga, empty the drawer face having ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Kidnapper face having ass nigga. You got a couple vans at the house having ass nigga. Take that stocking cap off your face. Why is your forehead so surprised having ass nigga? Why your dreads look like braids having ass nigga? Why so many rubber bands at the end of them having ass nigga? You my nigga, but you got a booger on your lip having ass nigga.
You corny
hey,
as
you my
fuck.
nigga, but it's a booger on your
funny,
lip.
Bro. This shit ain't even funny, bro. You
Clean
corny.
your
Retreat, bro. This shit was corny as fuck, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This fake ass pimp lingo. That shit sounds stupid as fuck, bro. You wasn't even funny. You had one job. Roscoe. Fucking failed. Fucking that shit was trash. Got so many rubber bands on your dress. You know what I'm saying? Such a stupid ass shit. Stupid face ass nigga. I mush like blood. Shut the fuck up. Nigga, mush you, blood. Like, blood. Shut your dumb ass up. Like, you got a mushable face. I don't know, something about your face just make me think of mushing you, blood. Like, I don't know why, blood. Like, blood, shut your dumb ass up. I didn't even feel like bagging on you, blood. I just wanted to mush you, like, blood. Shut the fuck up. Flame your ass, though. Blood, you got a picture of me. Blood, you actually, blood, you went and get over here, blood. You fucking screenshotted a picture of me and made it your profile pic. How much of a dick rider are you, blood? Like, god damn, blood. You a fucking dick jockey, blood. Not a horse jockey, a dick jockey, blood. Like, blood, god damn. You went and screenshotted. You sat here and watched me and screenshotted your favorite scene. You screenshotted the part that you like too. You like when I light my blunt. That's all you like when I light my blunt. Ooh, when he lighted his blunt, I like that part. Let me screenshot that selfie with the lighter. Selfie with the lighter. Get your weird ass out of here. Retreat. Selfie with the lighter. You niggas be going through a lot of bullshit, blood, just to get like me, blood. Goddamn. All I do is light a blunt, blood. You niggas gotta go through a lot, blood. You screenshot photos, nigga, weird shit, blood. You gotta go through a lot, blood. Just try to be in my world a little bit, but all I gotta do is light my blunt, nigga. This shit natural, blood. I just light my blunt. It's hot in here. Fuck. Red lighter. Nigga, you know this blood, nigga. That's all I buy, red Bics. Red Bics. Man, give me a red. I hate when they don't got none. Like, I hate when I go in the store, be like, let me get a red Bic. Like, we don't have any red ones. I'm like, fuck. All right, give me a black one or a white one. Fuck it. What's up, boy? Let me see. You, fuck it. Nigga, rest in peace, Gonzo. Oh, God, my nigga Gonzo. Boy, that shit, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I made the biggest bag of my life with Gonzo. I love that nigga, man. What's up with it, champ?
What up, cuz?
With that shit?
Nah, shit.
Where you from, fool?
Fonshell Creek.
From where?
Fonshell Gangster Creek.
Where that's at?
Oklahoma.
Oh, Oklahoma?
Hell yeah.
What's the deal, fool?
Nah, shit, coolin'.
Why you hiding your face, nigga?
Nigga ain't hiding my face, nigga.
You is, nigga. You can't even see you, nigga. Why you so close to the phone, nigga? Back up.
Man, don't make me.
Retreat, nigga. I feel like I can smell your breath. Fuck is you so like close to the phone for? Like, god damn. I'm not hiding my face. Dumbass, like Oklahoma Crips. Like, blood, get your dumb ass out of here, nigga. You a Crip from Oklahoma, blood. You can't roast shit, nigga. You a Crip from Oklahoma, blood. Shut your dumb ass up, blood. You already just clowned yourself, nigga. You a Crip from Oklahoma. Shut your dumb ass up, blood. Fucking, you just roasted yourself, nigga. Oklahoma, shut your dumb ass out of here, blood. You a Crip from Oklahoma, nigga. Fuck. Skull, you and Five Line Snipe got good music together. Y'all hard cook on Crip, tapping in from Mississippi. Good looking out, good looking out. Damn, a Mississippi Crip. God damn. We got an Oklahoma Crip, Mississippi Crip. Like, goddamn, what else are we gonna see tonight? Goddamn. Blah. You get your stupid beard ass in here, bud. And don't come in here yelling either. Like, I don't like when they talk too loud, bro. That's annoying. Just talk regular, bro. Come on, nigga. What, you scared? Get in here, bud. This nigga scared, bud. Get tired of these scary niggas, bro. You niggas ain't even brave no more, blood. Scary ass. It's only Instagram, nigga. Oh, my teeth look good, nigga. I just went to the dentist today and got my teeth clean. You know how the blunt be turning your shit brown in the back? I could, you know what I'm talking about? How the blunt be like, nigga, I had to go get my shit all cleaned up. You know my birthday Friday, blood. I'm finna be in somebody's daughter's face. Oh, my shit look good, nice and white. Like, shit. That nigga got up in there good too. That nigga, oh, that shit feel amazing, amazing. Oh God. Yeah. Shut your jealous ass up. Get over here, bro. I can imagine your teeth, shit mouth ass nigga. Yeah. Like, blood, you jealous, blood. You just exposed yourself. We know you got bad teeth, blood, and bad breath too, blood. Stank breath ass nigga. It's always a nigga with stank breath. Mad because a nigga teeth look amazing. Look, yeah. Stank mouth, shit mouth ass nigga like Reed Street, blood. Your shit mouth. I was waving to you and I didn't get a hi back. But ain't nobody want to say hi to your ugly ass. Shut up. Nigga 40 hype about some teeth. Fuck you worry about. You don't hype about some teeth. Nigga, you a whole boy taking pictures up against the wall like you some kind of male sex worker or something. Bro. Male sex worker looking ass. Like, bro. It look like they tell fucking Johns to just walk down that hall and then they run into you. Like, yeah, you guys, $120 to get in. Okay, is this private? Yeah. Just walk down the hall. You'll run into him. And then blood meet you standing there like that. Hello. Like, blood. Hello. Looking like Reed Street, bro. Get your zesty ass over here. Hello. Looking at us, nigga. Hello? Hello. Looking at us, nigga. What else? You probably don't even get high with that weed no more. You smoke too much, OG. I just keep a consistent buzz. Like, I'm like a consistent buzz type nigga. Like you know what I mean? How would you know how much I smoke? Shut your dumb ass up. You only see me smoke one blunt on live. Like, but how would you know this is? How you know this ain't the first blunt I smoked today? What do you mean I smoke too much? How the fuck would you know how much I smoke? Shut your dumb ass up, bro. I almost let you get away with that, but I thought about it, blood. Fuck that, blood. Get over here, blood. Like, nigga, how would you know how much I smoke? Huh? Like, how would you possibly, nigga, this the first blunt. Oh, I swear to God, this the first blunt I even smoked today. I ain't even smoked no weed all day. I ain't been smoking. Jesus. School, you can't tell me I'm lying because I recorded you. Yeah. Nigga, why you sweating? Cause it's fucking 100 degrees, nigga. It's summertime, stupid. Like, what is it? Winter where you at or something? Like, where you live in? Fucking St. Paul, Minnesota or something, bro? It's fucking free. Where you at, Alaska or something? Nigga, it's 100 degrees. It's hot as fuck, nigga. Fuck you mean while I'm sweating, nigga? It's hot, bitch. These niggas crazy, but why you sweating, nigga? 100 fucking degrees, nigga. What the fuck? You ain't got no AC. I do, but it's not working for some reason. That shit don't. I got central air and heat. Man, what the fuck you talking about? It just don't work. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm waiting on the maintenance people to come out and fix that shit. I got AC upstairs though, but I'm not upstairs. You know what I'm saying? Skull, where did you get retreat from? Retreat? You know what? You know where I got retreat from, bro? I remember when I was a kid. When I was a kid, I used to always watch Transformers, blood, and Starscream. That nigga Starscream. They used to always be whooping blood ass. For some reason, they come do shit, and the fucking with the Autobots, they always fuck them niggas up, and Starscream always start running like, retreat, Decepticons, retreat. They always get fucked up. They'll be like, Decepticons, retreat, get the fuck up out of here. Like you know what I mean? So like it just always resonated with me. Like it just like stuck with me through life. But when all else fails, retreat, retreat. Decepticons, retreat. Only 80 babies I understand. Let me see. Wow, I thought he was finna say transgenders. Yeah, because that's what you're thinking about. Retreat. Shut your dumb ass up. It's still 101 in Vegas. See what I'm saying, bro? It's hot as fuck. Nigga talk about why you sweating. It's hot, bitch. The fuck? Bro, you niggas come. Look like Skull hitting that pipe. Yeah. Okay.
What up, Skull?
Slow, amigo.
What up, man?
Slow with it.
Man, I'm trying to do the same thing, but I got a bong. I don't got no blunt.
Oh, you got a bong?
Yeah, I got to use the
Take
old
a
paper.
bong rip? Take a bong rip?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So I'm talking about retreat. There ain't no fucking smoking on here. Like, you thought we just gonna smoke together. Like, you thought just, yeah, I'm trying to do it. Let me get my weed. Like, I'm gonna smoke it in a bong. Retreat. Fuck, you thought we just gonna sit here and watch you take bong rips? Dumbass. Just, let me see. What's up there? Look, this fat nigga wanna go live so bad. Get your fat ass in here, bro. You don't even be talking about shit, bro. You be just talking about bullshit. Get your fat ass in here.
What's up with my
Yeah.
gas station pump face ass nigga?
What?
You ugly as
What your
fuck,
fat
bro.
ass on, bro?
You
What your
sweating in the
fat
house,
ass
bro.
on?
You ain't got no AC. Why you ain't got no AC?
Because it's
The
broke.
sweat running down that fat ass ridge on your nose. You see
Look
that?
at your fat ass
Yo,
face,
bro,
bro.
your
Shut your
nose don't
fat
even want to be
slow
on
ass.
your
Why you
face
sitting
right
in the
now, bro.
dark watching me? You
Yo,
sitting in the
bro,
dark watching me. No,
your
you
nose
sitting in
don't
the
even want to be on
dark
your
watching me. What
face.
you doing over there? Like,
Look
let me see the lotion.
at you, bro.
Let me see the
You ugly.
lotion. Shut your fat ass up. You sitting in the dark watching me, nigga, playing with your meat, you fat bitch. Like, what the fuck you talking about, bro? Oh, damn, it's hot. Fat ass nigga, bro, sitting in the dark watching me, nigga, with a bottle of lotion, nigga, rubbing on his meat, bro. Fat bitch. So why you sweating? You ain't got no AC. Shut your fat ass up, nigga. You just wiped the sweat off your fat ass face, nigga. You fat motherfucker. Nigga sitting in the dark watching the skull, bro. Why you ain't got no lights on, bitch? You sitting in the dark. Nah, no, I don't like that nigga. No, I don't like that nigga, man. Nigga fat ass. Oh, Teddy Graham looking ass nigga, blood. Fat ass Teddy Graham looking ass nigga, blood.
We just don't like that people on my daughter's side.
Bro, it feels good in Carson. It's like, let me see. He think about Boskoe 24/7. Oh God, that nigga love me, bro. You like fucking obsessed, bro. That nigga got a poster of Skull on the wall, bro. That nigga screenshots photos of me and get them blew up at fucking what's that shit? At fucking Kinko's, nigga. You go to Kinko's and get pictures of me blew up, nigga. You probably got a life-size Skull poster on your fucking bedroom wall above your bed, nigga. Weird ass. Let me see. Who else up in here? You, nigga, get over here. I bet you his room smell like something. Oh, God, he look like he smell like something. Bro, you see that stupid ass TWA, teeny weeny afro? What you trying to grow your hair out? I'm trying to grow my dreads like you, Skull. Fat ass, nigga, that shit ain't gonna never grow. Fat motherfucker, blood, that stupid ass puppy, blood. And why your puppy still a puppy, blood? Like, blood, nigga got a German Shepherd puppy for like 2 years, blood. Why the fuck that motherfucker still a puppy, blood? Get your fat ass out of there, blood. Take that nigga for a walk. Yeah. Let's go to Queen of Skid Row. Yeah. Let's see. Let's go crib hotter than Kempton. Oh God, it's hot. It's because I ain't got the window open. I do need to open the window. It's hot as fuck in here, look. Yeah, oh shit. God damn, that's better. It's hot as a bitch. What's up, boy? You wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Come on. Wanna go outside? Come on. Come on. Come on. Hot as fuck up in there, huh? God damn. Let's see. We need a best of scope volume 1. Funny as fuck. Yeah, we need to do something, blood. I think I need to drop the first. I don't know, like I don't want to say the comedy album. I don't know. I need to do something. It's hot as a bitch, bro. Oh, God damn. Oh, God. Shit. Oh my God. Stop. You smell like Coke 44. I don't even drink beer, bro. What are you talking about? Why would I smell like Coke 44 and I don't drink beer? Bro, struggling. I ain't struggling. You struggling, bro. You broke ass nigga. Nigga, I ain't never struggling, nigga. I be young, nigga. Just be young, nigga. I ain't struggling. I ain't struggling at all. I be young, nigga. I ain't struggling. Trust me. I ain't doing no struggling,
What
bro.
happened, bro?
I ain't struggling at all, bro.
Yes, you is, my nigga.
Come on,
Don't pull out, bro.
got
Don't
it,
pull
bro.
out no
Come on,
money.
bro. Come on,
Call the
bro.
maintenance. Call
Shut
the
your fat
maintenance.
ass up,
Get your
bro.
AC fixed.
Get your AC fixed, nigga.
Get
Turn on
your
some
face
lights.
fixed. I'm
Turn on
not
some lights,
sweating.
fat ass nigga.
I'm
Why
not
you
sweating
in
though.
the dark watching?
I'm not sweating though.
Blood, but you
I'm not
smell like,
sweating
but you
though.
smell like something.
I'm
Though. But you
not
smell,
sweating though.
but you smell like something though.
You a hoe.
Bang that you don't smell. Like, blood, shut your fat ass up. Blood. bang that you don't smell like balls right now, blood. Little stanky basketball shorts, blood. Like blood. Like you be wearing them same basketball shorts for like 3 days, blood. And they got that little booty stench to them, nigga. Your girl be like, what's that smell? Like you need to clean up in here, like stinking ass nigga. Oh my God, the water is amazing. How you don't drink beer when you be drinking Old English? Man, shut the fuck up. When do you see me drink an Old English? You ain't seen me drink an Old English in like 2 years. Like, let's shut the fuck up. You don't see me drink no Old English, nigga. You see me drinking water, bitch. What are you talking about? Y'all need to fade. Nigga, get over here, blood. You need to fade that fucking afro, blood. That fucking with this nigga Michael from Good Times afro having that shit look like a muffin on your head, blood. You need to fade that shit, blood. Get you a fade around the sides and get the top whacked down, blood. That shit looks stupid as fuck, blood. What are you growing braids, blood? How old are you, blood? I'm like, blood, read tree. Tell dumb ass out of here, stupid ass afro, blood. Nigga look like mad black woman. I use you, bitch. Oh, coffee brown looking ass nigga, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Skull, what's up with Messy Tiff? I don't know, nigga. What the fuck you asking me about Messy Tiff for? I don't know, nigga. Stop asking me about other people, nigga. This my shit. I don't know. That ain't my bitch, nigga. I don't know, shit. Think I'm keeping up with Messy Tiff, nigga. She do got some new titties though, and she let me see them. Okay. Her nipple kind of high though. But they cool though. They look good. They look good though. They cool. Nipple a little high though. Like, they probably gotta settle or something. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. Showed me last time. She didn't show you, nigga. She did. They cool, huh? They look alright. They cool. They look better than the old ones. Like them little old little saggy titties, them little baby mama titties she had, but no kids. Oh, damn. How you got baby mama titties but no kids? But the new ones look good though. They look cool. They're cool. Seen that pussy too. Don't tell nobody. Samaya shaking. The train ran on her as we speak. Who is that? I don't know who the fuck that is. She had the twat on live. Man, shut your fat ass up, nigga. Tell your girl, tell that fat ass white girl to put her twat on live, nigga. Get over here. Matter of fact, where you go, bud? With this fake ass bullshit ass page, bud. Where you go, nigga? Get over here, bud. Tell that fat ass white bitch to come put her twat on live, nigga. What that fat ass white girl you got, nigga? Tell her we want to see that shit, nigga. Fat ass. She smell like booty too. I ain't gonna lie. She ain't ugly though, but she is big, and she look like she smell like something too. She gotta smell like something fucking your fat ass, bud. Breed tree, shut your dumb ass up. Your chain is fake. Why would I have a fake chain, bro? What are you talking about? Your chain is fake. Like, bro, how the fuck are you worried about my chain, bro? That's like niggas always talk about the shit that they admire, bro. Like, bro, why the fuck would I have a fake chain, bro? I've been having this chain for like 3 years now, bro. Why the fuck would it be fake, bro? Like, that sounds stupid. Your chain is fake because you couldn't believe or fathom yourself having a chain like this, so mine gotta be fake. Why the fuck would my chain be fake? Your chain is fake. But shut the fuck up, bloody tree. Fuck with my small blood. What the fuck I look like with a fake chain on, bro? Yeah. Get over her. Like, blood, you get over here, blood. You fucking, like, blood, get over here. Like, blood, what are you even doing here, blood? It look like you fucking, like, It's like you captain of somebody's yacht, blood. You yacht driver, like blood, yacht operating ass nigga, blood. Like what the fuck are you even doing here, blood? Like how did you even get here? How do you even know about Skull, blood? You like a fucking real estate investor, blood. Like fuck you even doing on this ghetto blood nigga page? Like what the fuck? Where you even come from? Who sent you, bro? You fucking stockbroker looking at like blood retreat, blood. Fuck out here. What should I invest some money in? Let me see. Sloss and Swap Meet Gold be mostly silver. I didn't get this from Sloss and Swap Meet. I got my chain from a jeweler. I don't go to the Swap Meet. I don't buy jewelry from the Swap Meet. I'm not a Swap Meet jewelry type of guy. I don't buy Swap Meet jewelry. I don't even go to the Swap Meet. Skull, I'm trying to be from your hood on Bloods, let me know. Get over here, blood. Like, who you told on, blood? Like, blood, you grown as fuck, blood. You like 36 years old, talk about you want to be from somebody's hood. Like, blood, you old face ass nigga. What have you been doing your whole life while you would decide to want to be from somebody's hood at this point, blood? Weird ass nigga, blood, retreat. Shut the fuck up, blood. Nigga like 36 years old, talking about you want to be from somebody's hood. Like, blood, shut your dumb ass up, blood. Go be a truck driver, nigga. Shut your weird ass. The fucking transportation industry is booming right now. Get your dumb ass a trucker's license, nigga. Let me be from your hood. Let me know. Like I'm gonna like DM you later. Like, hey, bro, you still want to be from the hood? Like, shut your dumb ass up. Weird ass. I hate when niggas try to use my jokes on me. Retreat. Shut your dumb ass up. How you join a gang when you're 25? Shit, Crip Mac did. I mean, Crip Mac got put on like at 27, nigga. Big ass, old, dumb ass, like, blood, you big, dumb ass, old nigga. Just getting put on a hood at 27, blood. Like, blood, you a failure. Like, that's how you know, blood, is a life failure, blood. You got put on 5'5" at like 27, nigga. Like, blood, you dumb ass nigga. Like, you could have been anything in the world, but you strive to be a 5'5" crib. I'm a crib. My blood is blue. I'm a crib. You dumbass nigga. You could have been anything in the world, but you decided to be a crip at 27, blood. Shut your stuff. That's why they beat the fuck out your dumbass. And five, it was that Baby Snaps Alley beat the shit out your dumbass and Baby Snaps Alley. 27-year-old just getting put on the hood, blood. Fuck this nigga, blood. How old is you, cuz? 27. Man. Fuck this nigga up. You could have been anything in the world. Stupid ass. Hey, stay focused, Blacks. I'm gonna call y'all back.